Hello, everyone. Welcome to the launch night of the MSA 2024 program. Before we kick things off, please using the following QR code or the link to visit our website and make sure you complete the registration for the program and following our social media. You can find all the useful links you need from our website. Today, we will go through the following sections: the MSA NZ team, the MSA overview, and the past student experience and 2024 program details. And during this launch night, if you have any questions, just feel free to post them into the general text channel. Our student ambassador will be monitoring this channel closely and respond to your questions. And regarding to the NZ team, we have three groups: the marketing, the data science, and software development team. The marketing, if anyone cannot join to the voice channel, please watch the recording, please. Thank you. And the marketing team is mainly responsible for promoting the program and answering student general questions on the social media platforms. While the other two teams are responsible for generating questions for all the three phases and answering technical questions on Discord. All the student ambassadors in our team are volunteers. And from the Microsoft side, we have Ryan, Daniel, and Abby. They support our work in terms of technical and decision making. And at the same time, they are also responsible for contacting all Microsoft partner companies and found some high quality internship opportunities for students. And before I give you some more details about what the program looks like this year, let me give you an overview of a situation you may be familiar with. When you are looking for a job, but to get a job, you need some experience. And to get experience, you need to find a job first. So this cycle continues on forever. Now, what MSA is here to do is we are here to break this cycle. In the program, we will provide free technical training for all students who are at the tertiary institution in New Zealand. We also provide soft skill development and some paid summer internship placement to anyone who has successfully completed the program this year. So our ultimate goal is to build the bridge between the education and the workplace. And in the past 8 years, over 6,000 students has been trained, and more than 450 of them get the internship work placement. About 19.6% of them get a full-time job offer after they complete their internship. Their employers include the Fonterra, Datacom, Auckland Airport, and many other Microsoft partners. Now I will invite some past students to share their experience and give a detailed overview of the program. Kitty, do you want to go first?
Yeah, I can go.
Are you here?
Yeah. Can everyone hear my voice or is still connecting?
Yep.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
So, hi everyone. My name is Xiaoyi Qing, and you can call me Kitty. And thanks, team, for giving me this opportunity to share my MSA journey. I have chosen data science stream last year and got placed in Fonterra as AI engineer intern during recent summer break. And why I choose data? Being a data analyzer is a bit like being a detective. So tracking the clues within the numbers to find the culprit is always rewarding for me. And the Microsoft Student Accelerator program was the guiding light on this path, offering a bridge between my passion for data and the practical skills needed to thrive in vibrant IT industry. And the MSA program is more than just a stepping stone. It offers a unique blend of learning opportunities, from mastering different techniques such as C# in software stream last year or Python in data stream last year, and Microsoft technologies to hands-on workshops led by seasoned experts. Through MSA, I harnessed the power of Power BI for data visualization, transforming complex datasets into clear, actionable insights. Python became my go-to for data analysis, allowing me to manipulate raw data into formats ready for analytical modeling. Azure Machine Learning opened new doors for me also. Enable me to develop predictive models that could forecast trends and influence decision-making processes. I have utilized all those techniques into my placement in Fonterra as well. So my placement experience was nothing short of transformative. I was thrust into the real world of data science, where every project was a puzzle waiting to be solved. From developing time series forecasting models that revolutionize resource allocation to crafting dynamic dashboards that illuminated key business insights. Each task was a step towards mastering the art of data analysis. So the thing, why do I recommend MSA to other students? It's quite simple. The program offers an unparalleled opportunity to apply academic knowledge in real-world settings, build invaluable industry connections, and gain exposure to innovative projects. It's a chance to learn from peers and experts alike, fostering a collaborative environment where everyone grows together. MSA is not just about acquiring technical skills, it's about building confidence, embracing challenges, and preparing for a future where technology and data drive progress. So, to those standing at the threshold of their tech journey, the path may seem daunting, but it's fulfilled with opportunities for growth, learning, and discovery. MSA has been a crucial part of my journey, equipping me with the skills, experience, and connections to pursue my passion for data area. And if you are eager to make your mark in the tech world, to contribute to informed decision making, and to uncover the stories hidden within data, then MSA might just be the perfect next step for you. So let it be the catalyst that transforms your curiosity and ambition to a rewarding journey in technology. So that's something about me. Yeah. Thanks.
Data science.
Okay, thanks, Kitty. Let's move to Frank. Frank, are you ready?
I thought you said you would be the leader.
Hello, Frank, are you here?
Oh, hello. Okay, sorry, it's muted. Okay, sorry for all this technical difficulties. Didn't expect Discord to be like this. You guys could hear me, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, sweet. So I'm a fourth year software engineering student, and I did MSA about 3 years ago when I was a first year. And being a first year, you have no work experience. No employer really wants to choose you. There's like 3 years with work experience and all that. And so that's really where MSA comes in. So people with little experience or like not as much skills as other people compared to third years, MSA is a great opportunity to provide skills throughout the whole year and really connect with employers, because generally it's pretty difficult when you have no prior experience. And so first year I did the software stream and I learned things such as .NET, REST APIs and all that alongside uni. So alongside uni, you're getting other skills. And it's a great way to basically kickstart your career, get ahead of your peers and stand out. Yeah. So if you want to get started in your career, I would highly recommend doing MSA. There is a bit of self-research throughout the year to learn things, but feel free to ask on Discord for help. Yep, I did get a placement. So I did this program twice, first year and second year, and I got placed both years. And from there, yeah, helped kick off my career. So if anyone else has questions, just feel free to ask.
Hello, the butter was out here all the time.
Sorry. Yeah. One thing I have noticed in the past is sometimes there's a lot of confusion on when MSA starts, what's actually happening. So if you are confused on what is happening, feel free to ask. It is not a guaranteed 100% placement, but if you do very well and exceed, you have a higher chance, but it's not guaranteed. Yep, all internships are paid, at least minimum. Some employers may choose to add on if they want, like slightly higher, but they all are paid. How how can you do very well with standout in coursework? So the first phase, as long as you do it, it's pretty much a pass if you do the courses. But where the second phase is where you can try stand out from others. That's where you build a project and you submit to us and we'll mark it. So if your project stands out, looks nice, is amazing, then is the content very coding based or will there be variety of softwares? So the first phase is more those courses that have been released now, I believe. And then the next few phases is, or the next phase is a project based. So we give you a set of technologies to use. So for example, .NET, and for front end you use React, and we give you a bunch of requirements. And from your knowledge from phase one, you try to build a project that will stand out and be amazing to us, and we'll mark it. And we have a marking criteria that we don't generally release. And if your project's great, then you have a higher chance. How did you balance uni with MSA? Have great time management, I guess. So just keep track of all your work. I use Trello to keep track of all my assignments because there's quite a few. And as long as you spend time throughout the week on MSA, doesn't have to be like every day, but give it some time. Are your suggestions for personal projects for phase two? No, it's up to your imagination. Are projects shortlisted for phase three? I'm guessing you mean by like the user submit, like the projects you guys submit to us. You basically mark every project that you submit to us, and you get a score that we don't release to you guys, and then basically the top scoring people move on to the next phase. What solar project? Yep, so it's a full stack project, backend, front end, web app. Using .NET backend, front end is React, and a bunch of other frameworks that we will release when those phases come closer. That's like future land, not yet, because we have yet to sort those stuff out. Are projects in groups or solo? They are solo. Do you need to have previous knowledge? Nope. So I was a first year software engineer. I was a first year engineer. I didn't touch any software stuff. I kind of went through the Microsoft modules and self-researched and made a project submitted, and they were happy with it. And yay, I got through the next phase. So even if you do part two, if your project is not within the criteria, you don't move to part three. What do you mean by criteria? We don't we have a marking scheme, and we will release a bunch of specifications that your project must have, and we mark it based on that, and you just get a score. And basically, the top few, I then moved on to the next phase. Do you need to know Java or Python? No, you can learn throughout the year. You don't really need prior experience. I was the first year, I had no experience, and I just learned it all throughout the year alongside uni. could you show us what you did for your project? I did not expect that. No, not yet. I'm not really, don't really have it right now. What project did I do? So my project first year was a note-taking app to store notes. I think it'll make more sense when that phase is released. We'll give you more details. If you really want a sneak peek, you can go to our GitHub, the MSA GitHub, and see the previous year's phase 2. And basically it's a PDF of like what we're expecting. Maybe someone will link it. If not, I'll link it at the end of my talking. Is a program mainly for software, comp/sys, or computer science students? No, you don't have to. Your degree doesn't really matter. So I know some people who are civil students who've done it, business students, and they've passed and got placements. Only a select amount of participants allowed to move on after each phase. Yes, because we don't have infinite employers. Okay. I think I need to stop answering questions now and move on. Otherwise, I'll run out of time. Okay. Feel free to keep posting questions. I answer them in chat. You're good.
Okay, thank you, Frank. So let's move to the 2024 program details. The program is divided into 2 sessions, the software development and the data science. Each student must select one stream to focus on. And within each stream, the program is structured into 3 phases. So phase 1 of the program runs from Monday, 2nd of April, which is today, to Sunday, 26th of May. During this phase, all students are required to complete some Microsoft learning modules specific to their chosen stream. The modules are designed to be complete over 6 weeks, but we provide 7 weeks time to finish them. The extra time allows students who join the program late. So we want to make sure everyone has ample opportunity and enough time to complete the required work. And for phase 2, phase 2 of the program is scheduled to run from June to August. In this phase, students are expected to complete an individual project within their chosen stream. Students will need to apply the knowledge they learned from phase 1 to a practical project. From the data science set, students will need to complete the initial stage of data analysis and pre-processing. After that, they need to use some machine learning and deep learning models to solve some classification or regression problems. And from the software development side, students will need to implement both front-end and back-end development. To support the project, we will also provide some skeleton code and some additional resource. We will also have some office hour on Discord voice channel to help students complete the project. And the phase 3 is designed to enhance the soft skills, especially the interview technicals. During this phase, students have the chance to work with some Microsoft staff and some student ambassadors to do some mock interview and get some feedback. Additionally, they will also have some opportunity to do some writing and presentation practice if needed. And this phase is to design to make sure students are well prepared and confident for the final interview. And at the end, the student who successfully pass all the 3 phases will do the final interview with some real employers. And the final internship offer will be confirmed by November. So the phase 1 has been released this morning. You can use the QR code or the following link to go to the GitHub page of the phase 1, which is here. So please make sure you read the README file carefully and follow the module list of your chosen session. And be careful about the deadline of phase 1 and make sure you submit the submission form, which is Microsoft form, by the deadline. So yeah, that's all for today. So anyone have any other questions?